select all filled points, selection remaining points, and replace all selected points. With this tool, we can select all filled points, selection remaining points, and replace all selected points. Here, we have one canvas object. Select the canvas, and press N shortcut key, for turn on reshape mode. If we want to, select all filled points. Press, select all filled points button. Here, you can see, all filled cross has been selected. If we want to, selection remaining cross. Press, selection remaining point button. Here, you can see all remaining cross has been selected. If we want to, replace all selected points. Press, replace all selected points button. Here, you can see, the last pattern we set in the cross stitch, will be replaced by, all the cross stitch patterns. Now, select all cross stitches. Then press, replace all selected points button. Here, you can see, all cross stitches have been replaced.